And don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning to the end. You've always been here right beside me. So I'll call you my best friend through the good times and the bad ones.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. This is Aliya Turner, and thanks for coming to watch this wig review from Friday Night Hair. And this is some hair that I paid with my own money. They didn't send me something asking. I just wanted to do it just because everybody I seen with their wigs on look fine, okay? They looked at lickable, period, okay? And yeah. So with that being said, I definitely wanted to be in the loop. And this is what the little card or whatever looked like. I got 1B, and then over here I'm just gonna basically show y'all like the details of how it first came and when it first came out of the package. I've already played with it a lot. As you see, my hair kind of look a little ruffled up a little bit right there. But we just gonna go ahead and throw on this cap. Sis, I don't have any glue though. So I'm just gonna fold it back just like that. And to be honest, this is my first lace front. It's my first, because the other two wigs that I've had has always had bangs in the front. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna go in with some of this right here. I probably should have just used some foundation, but we just gonna throw a little bit on there. Yeah, just to make it look a little real. And but when I'm actually going to do it though, I am probably going to, like when I'm actually going somewhere, I'm not going nowhere. But when I actually am going somewhere, I am just going to, you know, braid my real hair down. Because I like having my hair braided underneath whatever style or whatever it is that I got going on. So now that this got a little bit of color, sis, let's put her on. See what she got going on here. Let's see. Because I think it's going to be what I think it is. But we're about to go. Hold on. That's why I need that damn glue. See? That's why I need the damn glue. But I'm just now going to the mailbox. I'm just now getting home. Just now doing a lot. So I'm gonna put this up here first. I got it so tight, y'all. There it go. Girl. Let me see. Ooh, let me see what she got going on. Let me see. That cap done already moved back a little bit. So this is her fresh out of the pack. I mean, which you can see that little part right there, but honestly, I feel like I really don't need no cap on. Let me stand back. I'm short, okay? I'm short. But it goes all the way down to my waist. Hold on, let me adjust this. Yeah, so that's how far it go down. Ooh, sis. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So now we just gonna take this and pin everything back. Hold on, y'all. I'm having just all types of malfunctions going on. Just all types of malfunctions going on. Okay, so I went ahead and went off camera and cut the lace and decided that I wanted to do a little bit like of a side part like this. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with some of this right here. So I'm just gonna go in and put it right here. But like I said, if I had the got to be glue and all this stuff like I'm supposed to have, it would just lay down a little flatter, because you see I'm flapping over here. But it's cool, girl. It's cool, because we got our mountains in real quick. Don't worry. We gonna figure something out. So we just gonna slap this back like that. And just, ooh. Don't want to put too much, but you want to put some. And see me, like I'm going to go through and, you know, probably like really pluck it. But I don't know where my tweezers and all that is at. So we just going to do it like here. And we just going to pull it up just a tad bit. Just so that way it'll fold. And I did cut it just because I wanted it to just sit right on top of my butt because I'm short. And yeah, I really don't care for the hair going all the way in between the cheeks. I just want it to sit on top of the cheeks, period. Yeah. So what y'all think? Please tell me what you think in the comments or whatever. You can do a lot. Just let me show you what the things you can do with this wig. So for one, you can, once I get it out of my lashes, you can definitely put this up like this. It can definitely be back. You can definitely slick this back with some mousse, give you like a little high little ponytail. Me, definitely, I love the half up, half down. That was one of the reasons why I had gotten this wig, just because that's what I like. So this style, I'll definitely be doing. And then if you wanted to kind of just let it go, sorry, it's slipping back, y'all, because I ain't got nothing to secure it, but y'all get what I'm saying, though. But it don't take much to style, and it's very pretty. And I just went with one of these brushes right here. I got this brush from Ulta. If I can find a link, I'll leave it down in the description, but this is just one of my cute little brushes. And I just kind of just went and kind of just brushed a little bit of it out, just so that way it'll give more of a realer effect. Because these over here, I kind of still want the curl, because I like curly hair. That's just me. I just like curly hair. I feel like everybody and their mama wears straight hair, so I like curly hair. But if you wanted to do in the middle, yeah, I did not pluck this right here. I did not pluck it. I just added the foundation as you seen, and yeah. But please comment, let me know if y'all like it, how y'all feel. And yeah, because we out here getting chose all summer long. The summer is ours, period. So we're never worried. But yeah, I like how this is right here. Hold on, let me see. Ooh. Lickable. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching it. And if y'all have anything or y'all want to keep in contact with me, like I said, my social media is down below. If y'all want to shop at my boutique, all of that stuff is going to be down below. Yes, so make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Peace, boo.